Pay your passport fee with one bill in a fast way that is secure and convenient. Now available on OneLink members' internet banking, mobile applications, ATMs, bank branch counters, and branchless banking agents. Open Passport Fee Asaan app. Click on Passport e-payment and get started. Select passport category and application type. For fee calculation, select priority, booklet, and expiry duration, and continue. Fill out personal information such as regional passport site, name, CNIC, email address, and mobile number. Click on Generate PSID. Save this PSID. Log in to your mobile banking or internet banking. Select one bill, invoice, and voucher payments. Enter your PSID and check your amount. Confirm the payment, and that's it. To check the status, open your Passport Fee Asaan app and click on Check Status. Enter your PSID to confirm payment status. Paying for your passport fee is now that easy. With one link, one bill.